As government equips the health system to fight monkeypox, the first case has been confirmed in Guyana. The announcement was made on Monday by Health Minister Dr. Frank Anthony. The patient is a male in his 50s from Region 4.
We have, over the last weekend, had a case of suspected monkeypox. Clinically, the person had all the signs and symptoms of monkeypox, and we have been able to confirm that by using PCR to do the confirmatory diagnosis. So we now have our first case of monkeypox in Guyana, and we have since isolated the patient, so that patient is now in an isolated area at the Ocean View Hospital, and that patient is stable and is doing very well.
Dr. Anthony said persons who were in close contact with the individual are in quarantine. Dr. Anthony is assuring the public that the country has been preparing for this eventuality and is equipped to handle the situation.
With this case, we are taking all the necessary measures, and I want the public to know that we have diagnostic capabilities. We have our labs that are prepared. We have a lot of people who have been trained. Over the last couple of months, we have trained a number of physicians. We have trained a number of laboratory staff, just in case if we have cases, what to do.
The health minister is urging persons to take all precautions and follow all guidelines. Chief Medical Officer Dr. Narayan Singh noted that transmission is through very close contact with an infected person, and once infected, the incubation period can last from 7 to 21 days. Prior to the appearance of lesions, infected persons can experience symptoms like myalgia, swollen lymph nodes, swelling in the neck, and headaches.
So I don't want people to panic because monkeypox is not something that is readily transmissible. You have to be in very, very close contact with that person and with the lesions on their skin and the liquids that come out from those lesions before you can actually get sick. So this is something that I'm sure once we continue managing it as we are doing right now, that people would be quite safe.
The health minister is urging anyone experiencing typical symptoms of monkeypox to report same to the health authorities so that the response team can be put in place to evaluate the suspected case. The ministry is also in the process of acquiring more test kits so that there will be an adequate supply. There is also a partnership with the Pan American Health Organization to acquire monkeypox vaccines. So far, out of a total of 42,666 persons infected with monkeypox in 95 countries worldwide, 13 deaths have been reported.